Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how to fix problem you can't log into your Instagram account. So actually first thing you need to try when you just maybe Instagram just blocked your account. So another thing you can try to check your credit. So just check your username and your password, maybe you just made a mistake. So you need to check this thing. So after also you can try to check your internet connection. So just go to the settings, just open Wi-Fi. If you use Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. If you use cell data, just open cell data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after you can try to restore phone, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power phone again. So just simply restore phone. And the latest option you can try to update app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab, just right here Instagram. And if you see update button, just tap on it and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to our channel, click like and bye.